the whole structure of me like having international audience,
Yeah.
it actually started. I remember first time posting on Twitter. I had a photo shoot. I forgot the photographer. I had a photo shoot now.
Maybe what background that's all,
Besise matsheni Mountain View. Ngiphethe isibhuku so.
Okay.
Yeah. And
But don't be saying even
yeah, I'm like engijwayeleke ngayo
okay, yeah.
and those pictures went viral on Twitter.
Yeah.
And they also went viral, I think, in like several African countries like Ghana, Nigeria. I think, like several African countries. And then there were like foreign articles like released. Like even now when you Google my name, like when you like scroll on Google, you'll come across like such articles with a South African lady goes topless in the name of celebrating culture.
This is being confused for me because you were not the first one.
Yeah.
But wakho bekangenele. Now cabanga kahle kahle why wakho bekangenele kaso.
Physics.
Yeah.
I was different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Like it's like having models, like petite models.
Oh yeah.
And then blows model babizwan plus size.
Plus size. Okay.
And then, like it's like mina situation was like that. Like they were like maidens Australia ukuthi no like the petite, the portable, and then there comes me.
Creative Circles with K Forever.